We will start this video with weekly chart. This trend line started this trend which was started after double bottom, and this upper trend line which already tested two times. On third attempt it has breakout, which is clear from this weekly candle. Weekly candle had clearly closed outside this trend line. After this trend line, this yellow rectangle is your next horizontal resistance near 1960, which has been tested two times. Before going 2000 again, price has to break this horizontal resistance. Before this resistance, we have Fibonacci retracement, 50% retracement of this entire trend near 1876, and next is 1923, 61% retracement. So these two are your resistance, and this lower trend line is your support. So this week these two are your support and resistance. Now on daily chart, this is your weekly trend line and this is your daily trend line, which was already tested two times. On third attempt it break out, then retest again here, and then made this bearish movement, then found support at lower trend line of weekly. So this rectangle is your static resistance and this trend line is your dynamic resistance. Closing of daily candle also confirm clear breakout of this trend line. If price reverse right from here, then these are your Fibonacci retracement, 50% retracement at 1784. So these two trend line are your support and Fibonacci retracement. There is a possibility price retest this trend line then continue its trend, or it test this horizontal resistance then retest this trend line. In both case near 1960 and this Fibonacci retracement are your support and resistance. This daily trend started after this double bottom, has not made any significant retracement. If it break this resistance, then it will not go much higher. To make new higher high or successfully break this resistance, price has to retrace. Then after retracement it can easily make new higher high, because this leg will not last long, because some of the bulls who take entry here have already taken their profit, which is clear from these daily candles. Here new buyer will not enter, they will wait for clear breakout for this resistance, and when price will retest this resistance, new seller will enter. On retest of this resistance, price can make reverse head and shoulder pattern, which will also attract new buyers. So your horizontal resistance are 1960 and these Fibonacci retracement 1876 and 1923, and your support are these retracement 50% at 1784 and 61% at 1755 near 1765 horizontal support. If we compare candlestick and nothing else on multiple time frame, then on daily chart candlestick are showing clearly the market is struggling, making a new high. It made spinning top on daily chart because new buyer are waiting for retracement. They will not enter here. On weekly candle This was the pin bar when we made video and predicted this high. We have 3 consecutive bullish weekly candle. On monthly chart, we have 2 consecutive bullish candle. For 2 months, price are increasing. Closing has been rejected many times at this level, which is clear from these 2 wicks. This is monthly support. It can retest this support. Comparing these 3 time frame together from monthly, weekly and daily, or monthly we have strong buy signal based on candlestick. This is the closing price never closed on monthly chart of this level. So this is also a significant resistance after 1960. If buyer of these 2 candle take profit, then it can make significant correction on daily chart.